So hello guys, welcome to another video of SAP ABAP Topics. In this video, we'll discuss about message class and its types. When it comes to message classes, we have three types of messages, that is success, error, information, and we can display the messages by writing the message, and with some space we can write the message in double quotes. After that, comma, we can write type, what the type you need to give. Here uh, here you can see about the message. So not comma, sorry. uh, then after that, success means it is okay, the message is you have successfully satisfied the if else condition, or if not satisfied, that is error. And informative is nothing but whether you satisfy or not satisfied the condition, it will always execute. Then we have includes and subroutines. Includes and subroutines are both same, but they differ in their structure and usage. They are all small parts or portions of the program. When it comes to include, you can divide the program into small includes. And when it comes to subroutines, you can use subroutines like form. You can declare the subroutine name, that means the form name, using particular variable type data type. You are changing the variable type data type. That's like about subroutines. They are all small parts of the program. And then we have function group and function module. In function group and function module, in the function group we will have the all function modules whatever we have declared. Then we have some parameters like import, export, source code, drive program. Import is nothing but we will declare all the parameters. Export is nothing but we will declare one output parameter. Then in source code, with the help of import and export parameters, we write the source code. And the source code, what is saved as function module, we will export it. That means we will import it in the driver program through ABAP. That is in the ABAP program SE38, and we will execute them. And we have some steps for creating function group. Use the T code SE80, create function group, create function module, give the parameter, import parameters, export parameters. Import parameters you can give anything like key fields, and export parameters you can give table type, structures, variables. Then write logic in the source code by using them, and save, check, activate, and finally execute them. You can execute from function module as well. Some programs can be executed from function module as well. And then the last topic is debugging. Debugging is nothing but we are checking the errors in the program or finding the bugs in the program. The shortcut key for debugging, that means when you are entering any program, you can check the program in debugging by simply entering /h. And then we have four debugging what you can we have four debugging ways. That means we can do single step, that means step by step or line by line, or we can return only to the main methods, or we can continue, that means we can directly execute the program. That is the with keys we are mentioning it: F5, F6, F7, F8. Then we have static breakpoint and dynamic breakpoint. Static breakpoint is nothing but it is a particular breakpoint we can uh, simply declare in the program. Dynamic breakpoint is nothing but it will be declared by the based on the statements, or based on the uh, names, sometimes keywords, sometimes before the uh, particular sometimes before the particular condition we can declare it the dynamic breakpoint. So that's it in this video. We'll see more in the upcoming months. Thank you.